Happy New Year, guys! What's going on? Hope you're having a good time. Hope all is well. I hope that you're healthy. And let's begin right away with unboxing this guy right here, the Fujifilm X-A7 with a 15-45mm f3.5 5.6 lens with it, a nice kit lens with it. So, we're just going to have a great time with this. And this will be the first review video or unboxing video of this year 2021. So let's begin right away. Hope everything is nice put in the center frame. Let's go and peel this little thing off. All right. Dun, dun, dun. Nice little black box. Oh, all right. Opens up like this, I guess. Cool, cool, cool. A nice little brownish neck strap, right? Cool, looks pretty cool. Some paper, warranty papers and stuff like that. Manual, a free Capture One download key, I guess. Let's put that aside. Oh, look at this. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. I think this looks pretty good. Wow. I like how it looks. Nice. See the lens. A nice little lens. Ooh la la. Oh, got some dust on it. Nice. Nice and compact. Put that aside, put this aside. This and that. The battery. Some charging cables. Where's the battery? Oh, here's the battery. Whoop. Let's see if we got some juice in it. And I think that's it, guys. I think that's everything that's in the box, right? Guess so. Let's put it here. And let's see. Wow. It's a nice little compact design. Oh, cool. It has a flip out screen. Okay. Let's see. We got any juice? Oh, I totally messed up that one. How to put this in? Oh. All right. Close. Open. Oh, look at this. It got that nice classic feel to it, Let's put the lens on it and see how that looks. I think, guys, this looks really cool. There is no grip, but it feels cool. Little input thingies on the side. What do we got here? Built-in flash, I guess. Oh yeah. Whoa. It's actually quite a huge flash. All right, I like that. What is this? I don't know what this is. A microphone input. Cool. A nice little microphone. Let's see if we got any juice in it. There is. Oh, what's this? Is this Polish? What the crap? It's in can you see it? It's all in, I think, in Russian or Polish. I don't know. We have to figure this thing out. Yes. What will it be? Convict Dwisku. I don't know. So I'm gonna reset this whole thing up, and then we're gonna change it all and see how the image looks from this Fujifilm. All right. Stay tuned. This is now the image that you see from the Fujifilm X-A7, straight out of camera, 4K, 25 frames per second. And this is now also the audio from that Fujifilm. Now I'm going to switch back to the audio of my microphone and I think it looks pretty okay. I think it looks good. I think it looks nice. So far, how it feels in the hand, it really feels like a classic vintage camera, if you know what I mean. There is no real grip, so you have to keep that in mind. I'm not sure what happened, you know. Some things go a little bit wrong, I guess. So a nice start of 2021, right? Anyways, in a couple of weeks you will see the full review of the Fujifilm X-A7. Here are some photos, and I guess, you know, see you in the next one. Happy 2021, I guess, and we'll make sure that everything will be nice and smooth, I guess, right? So as always, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next one.